This is the teacher preview for composing shapes, and we're going to be using tanagrams to be doing that today in our Google Slides. For all of my Google Slides that I make for Google Classroom, I do include a direction video at the beginning. So it's a video of me manipulating my screen, showing the students exactly what they need to do. So then as they come down, it's going to be getting harder as they continue on here on the left. So they're just going to be moving these to build this. Now you can do it one of two ways. You can have them put it right over top of this white silhouette here to build it. Or you can have them build it off to the side and make it match. That one's a little bit more challenging for them. Like that. I like to have them just build it right on top of the shape. So, up to you though. So we have two movable pieces for these. And then we go to 3 pieces. So again, they're just putting right on top and making that larger shape using different shapes. And then we go to, here I'll scroll through a little bit for you. There we go. Then we go to 4 shapes. We just build it right on top. And it doesn't have to be perfect as long as it's pretty close. I don't think I can even get it perfect on there. But as long as it makes the shape. So there are 4 shapes to make. And then we move to 6, and this is the challenge one to build the hexagon. But they don't need to rotate or make them bigger or smaller. They're already in proportion, so all they need to do is move it right to the mat. And that is all.